Hello viewers, welcome to Remedies and Cures. In this video we are going to share how to make super effective super fast eyelash growth serum at home. All your questions related to this serum will be answered in this video. Before watching this, please like this video and subscribe this channel to get more updates. Thanks. Now we will move back to our topic. How to make an eyelash serum to grow long eyelashes. Are your eyelashes short, stumpy, or prone to breaking? Have you been considering a growth serum, but you're nervous about the potential side effects, like permanently changing your eye color? Instead, lengthen your lashes with your very own DIY growth serum. Learn to make your own serum using natural products you can find around the house or at a local health foods store. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon castor oil, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon jojoba oil, optional, 1 teaspoon almond oil, optional, 1 vitamin E capsule, optional. 1. Add 1 teaspoon castor oil to a small container. Many people use castor oil on its own as a hair growth treatment. Castor oil's antifungal and antibacterial properties help break down clogs and buildup that might be slowing hair growth. Castor oil also contains vitamin E, proteins, and omega fatty acids that condition, strengthen, and moisturize hair. Look for cold-pressed castor oil and avoid anything meant for industrial use. 2. Add 1 teaspoon coconut oil to the container. Coconut oil is often a solid at room temperature, so you may want to heat it in the microwave for a few seconds so it liquefies and is easier to mix. Coconut oil is a highly effective moisturizer that is quickly absorbed by the skin, so it can begin working faster. Coconut oil reduces protein loss in your hair to repair and nourish your eyelashes. The medium-chain triglycerides found in coconut oil may also help waterproof and protect your hair from drying out when you use products that can sap the moisture from your hair. 3. Add additional oils, like jojoba, sweet almond, or a vitamin E capsule. The castor and coconut oils create the base of your serum, and you can add different oils or vitamins to further enhance the effects of your serum. Jojoba oil is an emollient that is also very efficient in unclogging hair follicles that may not be growing hair or growing hair inefficiency. Sweet almond oil contains biotin, a B vitamin that is believed to strengthen hair and increase growth. Vitamin E is often sold in capsules. Pierce the capsule with a needle and squeeze it into your serum. Vitamin E is said to keep your hair follicles healthy by increasing circulation and strengthening hair. 4. Mix the serum with a small spatula or toothpick. Make sure all the ingredients are incorporated and there is no separation. 5. Apply the serum to your lashes with a cotton swab or a spoolie brush. Wipe off any excess serum so it doesn't drip into your eye or onto your skin. Focus most of your attention on the roots of your eyelashes so your skin can absorb the oils. Swipe the cotton swab over your lashes or run the spoolie brush through your lashes. Make sure your lashes are completely coated with the serum. You can also apply the serum with the tip of your fingers. This may help liquefy the coconut oil if it has solidified. Just be sure your fingers are clean so you don't get any dirt or germs in your eyes. These ingredients won't harm your eyes if a little of the serum drips into them, but your vision may be temporarily blurry. 6. Apply the serum every night before bed so it can soak in overnight. It will take several weeks to see results. The ingredients in this serum work because they strengthen and condition your eyelashes so they look thicker, healthier, and can reach their full length potential. It is important to note, however, that genetics determine how long your lashes can ultimately grow. So if your eyelashes are healthy but still short, it may be that they simply do not grow any longer naturally. Prescription growth serums work by tricking your hair follicles into a longer growth period. With a longer growth period, your lashes may, in fact, grow longer than your genetics would normally allow. These serums do have some severe side effects, so discuss these with your doctor before asking for a prescription. Vitamin E is very rich and can clog pores. If you are prone to breakouts or oily skin, you may want to try another ingredient or just be extra careful not to get any on your skin. 7. Wipe the serum off your eyes in the morning. Carefully remove the serum when you wake up, or your skin may look greasy. The oils in the serum may also keep your makeup from adhering to your skin or lashes, so make sure it's completely wiped off before applying makeup. Do try this out and share your feedback in the comments below. Hope this video is helpful for you. You can also suggest what should be the next video topic. Like and subscribe this channel for getting more informative videos. Bye till next video.